Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's drawing is of Black Panther. As we all know that we have lost Chadwick Boseman recently, and this character that he brought to life on the screen, this is what we know him for. So this is kind of a tribute drawing to him. For the drawing, I have used Staedtler graphite pencils. There are majorly 4 pencils that I have used. One is 2H for the under drawing that I always use. Then 6B for the very dark parts, 2B and 1B for the lighter ones, and hashing and cross hashing at times. So for the light source, I have considered that the light is coming from the right side of the figure. And with that thought in mind, the very dark parts are on the left side, which is mainly done using the 6B pencil. I have gone with the top-down approach because, as I always say, that you need to keep yourself in a situation that the smudges can be avoided and without even papers, so as much as possible. So I used this top down approach. So the head is done first, and I was doing it from the left side. So this was a very conscious approach, and for the figure drawing purposes, I think this drawing can be very helpful for the beginners. If you guys have some questions, you can also directly ping me on Instagram. I will be very glad to help. So for the drawing, I have done no blendings at all. This is kind of a comic style drawing that I try to do. And here the figure, the complete body will be kind of half sitting. The Black Panther's pose was, this is the reference that I took was from a comic book of Black Panther of Marvel. So there this pose was there and I liked it, so I did it in my own style, even though it was in a different way there. So the figure, the shape is from that reference, but the rest part is from my own own style. So that is what I would like all of you to know. Actually, if you are thinking of drawing something in a comic style, you should have your own style too. In that, you just do not need to blindly copy it. So this is what I felt like, and this is what my Black Panther would look like. And this is kind of a tribute to Mr. Boseman, and this is how I give the tribute. So as I said, there are parts where I needed to do some kind of shadings and hashing, and that was done with the 2B and B pencils. I have sharpened it pretty well so that they can have some sharp kind of reflection, and the results come really very well. You can see that the tip of the pencil is very sharp. So this was intentional, and this is what I wanted to do, and that helped really in the drawing.
So now I had to do the legs. I just had done the underdrawing with
some thoughts in mind that the figure will be kind of half sitting, as I said. So I had to do the final drawings before I go into the shading and the kind of hashing parts. So what I did was I picked up the 2H pencil again and did the final drawings. See, I need to use the eraser a lot while doing the under drawings, because I like to do it just the way I think it should be, or if I'm doing it from a reference, like for portraits, I like to do it exactly like the person or the pet or thing that I'm doing, that should look exactly like what it is in the photograph or from the reference. That's why I generally do not put up the under drawings, but I would surely, for the beginners, I would try to bring some more tutorials which would help everyone for the under drawings, because I understand that they are utmost necessary even for everyone. So for the hands, we have seen that typically the Black Panther has got nails and 2-3 fingers, so I did not concentrate on having the 5 fingers like we humans have. So it's kind of a 3 to 4, it might seem, but that looked nice in the final piece. So I felt the way it was in the comics, it should look similar, hence this one. So you guys might think or comment that you do not really understand that there are 5 fingers, but it's not like that. It's intentional the way it is. So yeah, that's what the thought process was behind that. And then once the underdrawing was completed, what I did was again picked up the 2B pencil and did the final outlines of that underdrawing, like I did for the top part. So if someone has got some issues with the legs, you guys can have a good kind of a tutorial for this. So this is a kind of a comic style leg, and this can be made in your own ways, like the shoes can be changed, but what you need to do is understand what the figure is doing, sitting in what pose, fighting then in what pose, and once you do a kind of a base, then it's very easy for anyone to like replicate it like exactly the way it is. So once you do the final outlines, then you can go towards the shading like I'm doing here. So with the 6B pencil, what I did was started on the left leg and then I moved on to the right one. There I did this kind of marks. They are kind of the designs in the costume that I saw in the comics. These are not exact, but yeah, this is what I felt was giving dimensions much better. So for this drawing, I have gone, as I said, with my own thoughts and my own approach. The style is mine, so you guys can improvise on that too. Just if you guys are trying Black Panther, then please share it. Share the drawing with me and tag me on Instagram. Message me, and I would love to know how you guys did it. I would seriously like to see and understand your ideas, and that helps every artist. We should be looking at someone else's, because you never know from where you get the inspiration, and that's very helpful, I think. So for the rest part of the video, I will put you up with the music. As I always say, if you have liked the video, then please hit the like button. And if you are not yet subscribed, because I've seen many people are watching the channel but they're not subscribing, so please, if you like the videos, if you are interested in drawing videos, if you think that this channel is helping you, then please subscribe to the channel. That helps my channel a lot, and that encourages me to draw more and put up videos every week. So guys, please do it. It's just a simple thing. You just need to smash the subscribe button, as they say. and hit the bell icon for sure. Then you would get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thanks for watching this one. See you soon in the next one. Bye.